Hello everyone, here's Meljanka again with Gender 3, the channel where you restore your body, rebuild your mind, and renew your spirit. I'm so excited because today we're finishing the whole series and we are ending on day 18 with glutes again. What do I mean? Well, I mean that we have 3 more days for us to do something, and because we already finished until glutes, I have 3 days of surprise for you. So don't miss the next 3 days because they're so important for all of you have done so far. Okay, so today for glutes, get ready with your heavy weights. We're gonna do bridges, same as we did last time. And then we're gonna turn around and do some kickbacks just to load the glute a little bit more, all right? But because women love glutes, the muscles really, really much, like men with the chest, then we're gonna have fun and I have special music for you to let it all out. So, yes, let's go, girls. Yeah, I chose this song because it's so good for us, girls. Yes. Now listen to me. Let it all hang out, let it all out. And we're gonna move how we feel it, yeah? I can show you some steps, but you can do you. Do you. Yeah, no inhibitions. Let's go. Go on. Have fun. Yes.
The best thing about being
No woman
is the prerogative to have a little fun. Oh, the total
Hey, yeah. Single double here if you want. Or do your own thing.
short skirts. Really go wild, yeah.
And it's time. Come on. Take it low.
Feel the attraction.
Take it low.
Cover my head, do what I dare.
Awesome.
Yeah, feel the way I
Everybody ready? Turn around.
Man,
I feel like a woman. Hey, hey. Yes. Do your thing. Nobody's watching.
girls need a break tonight. We're gonna take the chance to get out on the town.
Now, yes. Girls need a break, and we're taking it by having fun and exercising. Yes.
The best thing about
Eso. Have fun.
is the prerogative to have a little fun.
Oh.
Go totally crazy.
Yes, go totally crazy. Let's go.
Men shirt, short skirts. Really go wild.
Okay. Single, double.
And sky. Get in the action.
Hey.
Feel the attraction.
Good.
Cover my head, do what I dare. Wanna be free, yeah. Feel the way I feel.
Everybody turn around.
Man,
I feel like a woman. Good job. Jumping up, jumping down. Ooh, or doing rock and roll. You do your thing. Yes. Woo!
the best thing about
Being a woman.
is the prerogative to have
Awesome. Hold it here.
fun.
Oh.
Go totally crazy. Forget I'm a lady.
Hey.
Men shirt, short skirts.
Oh.
Really go wild, yeah. Doing it.
Yes.
Get in the action.
Come on, have fun.
Feel the attraction. Cover my head, do what I dare.
Oh.
Wanna be free, yeah. Feel the way I
Ready?
feel. Man,
I feel like a woman. Ba-ba-da. Come on. Let it go.
Yeah. I got totally crazy.
Totally crazy. Come on.
Can you feel it?
Yes.
Come on, baby.
Bam, bam. Come on, have fun.
I feel like a woman.
Good job. We did it. Super fun, guys. Super fun. So we're ready for those glutes. And for that, go ahead and grab your mat and your weight. Okay? Okay. Let's do this. Woo. Okay, we're gonna again do bridges. Place that weight right on your hips, heels close to your booty. Get ready. We're going up, 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 down, and down. 2 and 2. Nice job. Now focus on squeezing your muscles. 3 up. Quick down. Do it again. Slow up. Squeeze it at the top. Release. Again. Lift, lift, squeeze, release. Awesome. 2 and 2. Oh, excuse me, singles. Love it. Oh, I'm already feeling. Come on. Good job. Awesome. 3, and 1. Bring 1, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Good job, good job. Come on, stay with us, stay with us. Up, quick hold. Oh. Nice. Up, quick hold. Down slow. 2 more. Breathe, remember that. Don't hold your breath. And the more the burn, the better. Pulses. 3, 2, 1. Again. You can feel it. Good job. Ouch. Good job. Singles. Up and down and up and down. Woo. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Let's get ready. We're gonna change. Put the weight down. Yep. Turn around. Let's go. Hands right on the shoulders, knees right on the hips. We're gonna go with pause. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do it again. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Let's go. 7, 6, 5, 4. Nice job. Do it one more time. Whenever we finish this one, we're gonna start opening to the side. 7 again. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, let's go. 7. Can you feel it? Yep. Just with your body weight. Try to keep your shoulders square to the floor. Other side. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, kick, kick, kick. Yep. 7. Other side. 7, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. 7. Oh, no more 7. No more. We did it. Okay, you guys, stretch it. Ooh, those old songs tend to be long. And we want long songs when we're working our muscles. But remember, this is just a test, right? I'm doing it probably not too fast, but too many changes. So if we do more than one song, we can keep doing the same exercise for a little bit longer. But this class is just a test for you guys to get used to the exercise. So let's get ready for the stretching. Oh yeah, good job. Another classic. I hope you love it. We're gonna try not to speak that much. Working on those glutes. Okay. 1 foot down, other foot on top. Push the knee away, flex the foot. Awesome. Push it down. Nice. Keep your chest up. Breathe in. Super romantic, right? The whole class. For women. Okay, let's go. Push away. If you need to, just take it a little bit more to the back. Your booty. Push it to the back. Push this away. Ooh. Oh, nice. Breathe. Okay, look at me. You're gonna go. One foot down, the other foot up. And then cross, hugging that knee. You're gonna feel it immediately right here. Yes? Take a big inhale. Loving on yourself. That's the most important love of all. Taking care of you so you can take care of others. Yes, other side. This is especially hard for women. We really give to everybody. And we put everybody before us. Which is probably part of who we are. But good for you that you're taking care of yourself. Yes? All right. Now that we did this, another way to stretch those glutes is by standing, opening the legs. Here we go. Push the head back. Yeah. And then this is going to stretch your inner thigh also, your hamstring, a little twist. Awesome. Other side. Take it down. Keep your chest going forward. And then kind of lean towards the front. Lovely jump. Release. Come to the center. Right there. Now, bend. Just in an intense pose that we have done before. Lift. Right? And then hands to the floor. Relax your head. This is a forward fold, and this inversion is really beneficial for us. Stay there. Try lengthening one leg first. Keep the other one semi-bent. And feel the stretch in the back of the leg going all the way to the glute. Okay? Change it. Bend the other knee and then lock this one. So you try to really feel that stretch from calf all the way to glute. Good. Roll it up. Oh, and I keep dancing. Or at least I want to keep dancing. Let me show you this one. You're gonna bend one knee, lift the toes, and come forward. Drop the toes and go really forward. Yay. Coming up. Other side, I'm gonna give you my profile. Bend this knee, lift the toes, breathe in, breathe out, drop the toes, and hold. Yay, so it's over now. Okay guys, roll up. Nice, okay. Another way of doing this is by placing, similar to when we were sitting, placing it right on top and push the hip back. Yeah. Other side. And we are officially done with this class. Thank you so much for being here. You did it 18 days. So tomorrow, what we're doing is dance cardio. The whole 3 songs are going to be cardio. The day after is going to be strength. And the day after, stretch. Don't miss out. It's going to be awesome. See you tomorrow. Love you all.